Google is one of the most successful companies in the world, and the website is visited by tens of millions, if not hundreds of millions of people every single day in order to conduct informational searches. But are you aware that there is a way to make a significant amount of money using a super easy Google technique? Right now, there are people who discreetly using this method and are earning up to $1,000 to $5,000. This information is not known to the public until this video, because today we're going to expose these secret methods so that you guys can earn lots of money as well. As long as you have a computer, a stable internet connection, you can make some money, all without spending a single penny. Most of the time, people would have spent so many hours to make $100. But with the secret website and tricks we're about to tell you, you can make up to $300 in as little as 30 minutes. Crazy, right? This is all possible and is truly a super exciting venture. So let's dive right in. Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. You can start by going to Google and searching for the keyword Google News. The articles on this page are categorized, making it easy to search and get what you're looking for. After that, you need to choose the article you want to use. Now, this is important because you will want to choose an article that can really capture audiences. What you need to do now is to copy a sentence or even an entire paragraph that you want to use. After this, you can now go to spinbot.com, a free app that allows article spinning and text rewriting. All you have to do is to place the copied content in the box and click the necessary buttons to let the website do its magic. After you have rewritten several articles, you can now go to different websites and get paid for the content you have. You might be thinking about which websites to go to. Well, you're in luck because we have 3 websites where you can use the rewritten articles you have. Website 1. Text Broker. You can check out textbroker.com to earn money from the rewritten content you have with you. First, you need to go over the homepage. Click on the I Write Content button and click on Payment. From there, you will see the number of earnings you will potentially earn from this site, depending on the quality of your articles. They're going to rate you from 2 stars up to 5 stars. These ratings matter because this is where your earnings will depend, aside from the word count. Let's say, for instance, you are writing an article with over 2,000 words. This means that you can possibly earn up to $105 from this one article. This is literally one of the easiest ways to earn money that beginners can do and take advantage of. Also, if you can find long articles, even reaching up to 5,000 words, you can potentially earn almost $255. Now, why should you check out Text Broker? First and foremost, registration is 100% free, and you can submit as many articles as you want. They also pay weekly, so you can get your money fast. You can start cashing out your earnings once you reach $10 in your account. Website 2. iWriter. On iWriter.com, you can also use your rewritten articles to make some income. And all you have to do is follow these steps to start earning some money from it. First, you need to register with a free account. After that, you will have to choose which category you want to work on. This will depend on what kind of articles you usually write, so you need to choose a topic you're comfortable with. With this part, you can always do the strategy we discussed earlier, which is rewriting articles through Spinbot. Once you have your articles ready, you can finally submit them. But that doesn't end there, since the articles you submitted still need to be reviewed. Once the review process is over, that is the only time you can get paid. iWriter pays really well, but your earnings still depend on what packages people buy. With this, you will be able to gain various amounts of money. For example, you will earn $4.70 per 150 words on the most popular package. If you are writing about 3,000 words for an article, then you might earn $66. You see, when you offer high-quality articles, you can go up to the elite category where you can get paid $217 for 3,000 words. Website 3. Scripted. The last website in this list is scripted.com, where you will be paid for whatever articles you have written. To start earning from the platform, you have to join them first. Just click the Become a Writer button, taking you to a page where it will allow you to become a freelancer on Scripted. It will require you to input your email, first name, last name, and password. Take note that the account you are making is free, so don't worry about the expenses. You have the same options as you have with iWriter, so you may choose any market, subfield, or category you wish to write about. In the same way as with the other websites, all you have to do to start making money from your writing is post your articles online before you can do so. If the work you are doing has been finished after 15 days, you have the option with Scripted to get payment without further action on your part. But the advantage of this website in comparison to the other two that were previously mentioned was the fact that you can literally set your own price on this website. This provides you with the opportunity to potentially earn up to $300 from a single article, doubling the amount of money you may make from the other websites, and giving you a competitive edge. There are currently more opportunities than ever before to earn additional income, both online and offline. That's fantastic, but it can be difficult to determine how to best use your time. There are very few things that are more exciting than being able to solve the mystery of how to make money online, which includes what we talked about today. We hope that this has provided you with some ideas on how to get started earning money online from the comfort of your own home. In addition, if you so desire, you might continue looking for additional ways to make money that are accessible to a large percentage of the population. So what are you waiting for? Check out these sites right now and start your journey to making more income while inside the comforts of your home. Comment down below so we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, head to our channel to see more from Money Talk. See you!